Let me show you how to discover new music inside of Amazon Music. There are a few things that you can do in terms of discovering new music that you actually like inside of Amazon Music. The first way is going to be the curated playlist that Amazon Music will automatically create based upon your listening activity. So, based upon the songs or the artists that you listen to, you'll get different sections inside of your home page, such as stations for, and it's going to say the name of the artist and fans, and it's going to give you similar songs or artists as well that you can take a look at. You can click on the see all option on the top right and take a look at all of these stations that are built for you. Apart from the stations, you can also scroll down, and these are all of the playlists that are also being created based upon your interactions and the songs that you listen to. This is the primary way of discovering music inside of Amazon Music. Now, apart from this, what you can also do is head over to the search bar on the top right. This way is going to show you all of the genres, and you can just head over to any of the genres that you're interested in. It's going to give you different sections of music genre, and if you scroll down further, you'll have other categories as well, such as new releases, top charts, as well as international music. So, using this section as well, you'll be able to discover new songs or new music that you might be into. Let's say you head over to a particular category, it's going to show you a list of songs that are inside of the exact category that you selected. As you go on and start listening to different songs, more songs will be added depending upon your music taste inside of your homepage. So that was the video about the way that you discover new music in Amazon Music. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.